Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Afan's Dynamics Journey. If you are new here, I am Afan and this channel is all about helping you navigate the world of Dynamics 365. In today's video, we will be discussing about Dynamics 365 sales, taking a look at how the interface is structured, the various tables available, and how these elements come together to support your sales activities. In my previous video, I demonstrated how to create a trial version of Dynamics 365 sales. So if you guys haven't created a trial version yet, or you are still facing issues, I would recommend you watching that video first. I will be putting the link to the video in the description below. So if you guys are all set, let's get started with this one. Once you log in with your credentials, you will see a list of different applications based on the license and security role associated with your account. For our demonstration purposes, we will go and select Dynamics 365 Sales Hub application. This is what the user interface of our application looks like. On the right hand side, you can see this is the user I am currently logged in with. Let's start by exploring what security role our current user have. We can check this by either going into Microsoft 365 Admin Center or by going into Power Platform Admin Center. For our demonstration purposes, I will go with Power Platform Admin Center. On your left hand side, you can see environments. Click on this. On this page, you can see a list of different environments available. I will go and select Sales Trial. And then on the right hand side, you can see users. Click on See All. So this will list all the users that are the part of this environment. So as I am currently logged in with this user, I will select this user and open it. So now you can see that the different roles that are associated with this particular user. There is Enterprise App Access, System Administrator, and Basic User. A question can arise over here that why do we need security roles? So security roles ensures that users only access data and features that are relevant to their role, which helps in protecting sensitive information and maintaining system integrity. In my later videos, I will demonstrate how to create custom security roles as well. As you can see on the screen, these are the primary sales roles available within the system. We can assign these roles to the users who need to perform primary sales activities. Let's go back to our application. The best way to navigate in the Sales app is to use the sitemap, which is located on the left side of the screen. It is a navigation tool that helps you navigate to different areas of the application and access different tables. Select this menu button to open or close the sitemap. This area provides access to the recent items that you have worked on. The user have also an option to click on this pin button, and once it is done, and if we go into the pinned area, we can see that this particular thing is pinned over here. We can also unpin this. Use this feature to change area to switch between different areas that are available in the application. The Sales Hub have 5 different areas. Sales, the main area of the application. Application setting, we use this area to set application functionality. Sales Insight setting area, it is access to enable and set up the different sales insight features. The personal setting area allows user to set up different personal options. And last, help and support. It offers support tools and resources to assist users in navigating and utilizing the application effectively. So you see these elements, these are called tables. They were formerly known as entities. They are used to store and manage data within the platform. Each table represents a specific type of information. Let's discuss each table here at a high level, and in the upcoming videos, we'll dig deeper into details. Let's start with Sales Accelerator. I have discussed about this in my previous videos as well. The Sales Accelerator is a part of Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. It helps sales managers and representatives effectively manage their leads and opportunities. It organizes tasks and prioritizes activities to ensure that sales processes are streamlined and nothing is overlooked. Next is the Activities table, which stores records of interactions with customers. This includes emails, appointments, and phone calls. Additionally, custom activities can be created to meet specific business needs, allowing for flexible tracking of all customer engagements. Now let's discuss dashboards. It provides a visual overview of key metrics and data, enabling users to monitor and manage their activities across different areas of the platform. The dashboard offers valuable insights into performance and helps prioritize tasks. Moving on to the Accounts table, which represent a business or organization such as customer, vendor, or other grouping like a family group. Accounts typically have related contact records and are crucial for maintaining business relationships. Next up is the Contact table, which stores information about individuals. These contacts are often linked to accounts and activities, making them key to managing relationships with customers, partners, and other stakeholders. Now let's talk about Leads table. It captures potential sales opportunities representing initial interest or inquiries from prospects. Leads are the first step in the sales process and can be qualified into opportunities, whereas the Opportunities table follows leads in the sales process. It represents a potential sales transaction containing more detailed information and considered a more viable prospects. Opportunities track the progress of sales deals from the initial interest to closure. Next is the Competitors table, which is used to track and analyze rival companies or products. It includes competitor profiles, SWOT analysis, and related sales materials, helping businesses stay informed and competitive. Moving on to the Quotes table. It stores formal offers for products or services at specific prices and terms. Quotes are generated for customers and can be converted into orders once accepted. Next, let's discuss about the Order table. It contains confirmed requests for goods or services based on the specified terms or an accepted code. Orders are essential for tracking the fulfillment process and ensuring customer satisfaction. The Invoice table is next. Recording sales transactions with details on various products or services billed to the customers. Invoices are crucial for financial tracking and customer billing. Now let's look into the Product table. It manages and organizes the items or services your business sells, including details like pricing, description, and other attributes necessary for sales and inventory management. Next, the Sales Literature table stores and manages marketing materials and documents that support the sales process. This includes brochures, promotional presentations, and other resources that assist sales team. Let's move on to the Marketing List table. It helps create and manage lists of potential or existing customers for marketing campaigns. This table is essential for targeting specific groups with tailored marketing efforts. Now let's discuss campaign table, which is used to plan, manage, and track comprehensive marketing campaigns. The quick campaigns allows for rapid creation and execution of targeted marketing activities to effectively engage leads and contacts. Next, the goal table lets you set and measure sales, marketing, and other business objectives. It tracks performance against targets, providing insights into how well the organization is achieving its goals. Moving on to the forecast table, it provides a structured view of projected sales revenue and performance. It helps track and manage sales goals and pipeline forecasts, ensuring that sales team meet their targets. Lastly, the cases table is used to manage and track customer services issues, complaints, or support requests. It represents interactions requiring resolutions and ensures that customer concerns are addressed in a timely manner. This is called the command bar, which is used for performing quick actions like creating a new record, saving an existing one, deleting or refreshing, and many more. This section provides the access to functionality regarding Teams integration and Copilot. Now let's discuss the upper part of the application and see what it has to offer. This section is known as the application bar or navigation bar, providing quick access to various tools that enhance the user's experience. First, we have Connect and Share option, which grants access to Dynamics 365 communities and feedback options. This feature connects you with a broader network of users and provides a platform for sharing insights. Next is the Teams Chat option, which opens the Team Chat window for direct Microsoft Teams communication within Dynamics 365. This is the Copilot option that provides quick access to AI-driven insights and assistance. Moving on to the Help option. It offers support tools and resources to assist users in navigating and utilizing the application effectively. It is the handy feature when you need guidance. Now let's discuss the setting options. This provides access to various application settings, allowing users to customize their experience according to their preferences and business needs. Next, the Advanced Find feature enables users to create custom searches for their data. It is the powerful tool for locating specific records or generating complex queries. The Quick Create option opens a quick create form for records that supports this feature. With Quick Create, you can enter minimal information to get started and fill in more details later. Moving forward, we have this Assistant option, which opens the Assistant to show available assistant cards. We will explore this feature in more detail in the upcoming videos. Finally, the Search option, which allows you to search for data across multiple tables simultaneously, making it easier to find the information you need quickly. This wraps up the overview of Dynamics 365 Sales Hub application. I hope this video gave you a clear understanding of how to navigate and make the most out of these powerful tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Feel free to leave any questions or topics that you would like me to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.